The Filipino antonyms malaki, which means big in English, and maliit means small. Malaki, maliit. Malaki, maliit. Malaki, maliit. Ang malaking bahay ay binili nila. So the big house was bought by them. Malaki means big, bahay is a house, binili is like bought, past tense, bili is the root word, nila is they or them. Ang malaking bahay ay binili nila. May maliit na butas sa aking sapatos. There is a small hole in my shoe. Maliit means small. My is there are. Butas is a hole, and then akin is my, and then sapatos is the shoe. May maliit na butas sa aking sapatos. Ang kaisipan niya ay malaki para sa edad niya. His or her thinking is mature for his or her age. Kaisipan is thinking niya is his or her, is gender neutral. Malaki is big or above. Para is for, and then edad is the age niya is his or her. Ang kaisipan niya ay malaki para sa edad niya. Maliit na bagay lang yan para sa kanya. That is just a small thing. To him or to her, maliit is small, bagay is a thing, small thing. Maliit na bagay lang is only, and then iyan is that, para, for, and then sa kanya is for him or for her. Maliit na bagay lang yan para sa kanya. Once again, when we see malaki, it means big, and maliit is small. Malaki, maliit. Malaki, maliit.